We're hearing from Fairfax County Commonwealth's attorney Steve Descano for the first time since he testified on Capitol Hill. The Justice Department says he's protecting undocumented defendants. Descano tells Matthew Torres Republicans are blowing the policy out of proportion.
Tonight, Fairfax County's top prosecutor is speaking with WSA 9 one day after this contentious hearing on Capitol Hill. Facing major scrutiny, Steve Descano testified in front of GOP lawmakers who accuse him of failing to properly prosecute cases involving undocumented defendants. They claim his soft-on-crime policy is letting criminals off the hook, citing a statement that says prosecutors shall, wherever possible, consider immigration consequences.
This is almost laughable. This is your policy. You said it right here. You told the voters, if you elect me, I will take into account immigration consequences when making charging and plea decisions.
This is my policy, not what you have in your hand.
It was written based on Supreme Court precedent. It was written with lawful permanent residence and minor crimes in mind. And Republicans have really just mischaracterized it. I can tell you, Matt, it explicitly states that a non-citizen, an immigrant, can't get a better deal than somebody who is a citizen of this country.
In this heated exchange, North Carolina's Congressman Brian Knott also focused on another Fairfax case. ICE arrested Hiram Bacadeno Rodriguez, who broke into another apartment and tried to abduct a 4-year-old girl. Descano's office agreed to a plea deal, but 2 judges rejected it. The Commonwealth then dropped the case.
Do you know why he rejected it?
Sir,
he saw what you should have seen. He cited overwhelming evidence.
Can we talk about the evidence,
this person was a threat?
I know it and you don't.
That case was a great example of a case where we had real evidentiary problems. I don't want to get into all of them, but I can tell you that there were contradictory evidence, there was identification issues. So we were doing what we could to get an outcome that based on the evidence that we had.
Descano says Republicans are cherry-picking cases that he says had evidence issues. There have been ongoing criticism that his office is not doing enough. But Descano pushes back and says tonight deporting dangerous undocumented criminals do make communities safer.
My job is the prosecution of crime. There's nothing in my policies, there's nothing in anything that my office has a power in that can, if somebody is removable when they come to our office, there's nothing we can do to change that.
So you're saying it's all up to ICE?
That's how the law works.
Matthew Torres, WUSA 9.